how to upload music to Spotify. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to upload your own music to Spotify on iOS and Android. Here I'm using Android, but if you're having iOS device, you can follow similar steps if you have the music within your library. So what you can do is first of all, open your Spotify and then you're going to click on your profile at the top left. And here you're going to click on settings and privacy. And here you're going to scroll down till you find apps and devices. So if you're having the older version of Spotify, you'll be able to see the local files over here. But in the newer version, you're going to click on apps and devices, scroll down till you find the local audio files. And you can simply toggle it on. It lets you add tracks from this device to your library. And once you've toggled it on, you can simply go back to your home and then you're going to click on your library. And now you can see that there is a file created that says local files. So if you have some audio files within your device, those will be displayed over here. So you're going to simply click on allow, and once you do so, you'll be able to see that all of those audio files such as music and anything you have would be displayed in Spotify, and you can simply listen to those through the Spotify application. So that was how you can upload music to Spotify. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.